Welcome to another video. Alright, in today's tutorials, we are going to provide a solution to this problem. Now we are given square root of x minus 6 on square root of x equals to 1. Now let's get started. Alright, now from here, since we have square root of x in common here, let's take them out by letting a variable be that. So let y be square root of x. Okay, so from here my y minus 6 on y will be 1. Okay, let's make this side over 1 over 1. Now from here we can multiply through by the LCM, that is times y times y times y. So this side will be y squared. Okay, and this side will cancel, minus 6, and we have y, as simple as that. Now let's arrange them here. So y squared minus 6 minus 6 equals to y, will be y squared minus y minus 6. So we have y squared minus 6 equals to 0. Alright, so this one is a quadratic, so the coefficient here times this minus 6. So because the side is minus 1, so it will be minus 3, 2. So let's add y. So we have y squared minus 3y plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So the first factor will be y out, y minus 3 plus 2 out here, y minus 3 equal to 0. So we have this in common, y minus 3, y plus 2 equals to 0. Now let's look at the 0 product here. So y minus 3 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0. Now the first answer here will be y equals to 3, and the next one is y equals to minus 2. Alright, but remember we are not after y, we are after x. So let's go back. So y equals to square root of x here. So y equals to square root of x. Okay, now 1. When y is 3, so we have 3 equals to square root of x. So square both sides, 9 equals to x. Alright, so the next one will be I when y is minus 2. Minus 2 is the same as square root of, so square this side. So we have 4 equals to x. Alright, so let's verify if our answers are correct here. So we have this equals to that. So we have this 6 and that equals to 1. So the first answer for x is 9. So 9 and 4. We have x equals 9 and 4. So let's start with x equals 9. So this side will be square root of 9 minus 6 that. So the positive square root here is 3 minus 6 on 3. Okay. All right. So can make this side over 1. LCM is 3. 1 to 3, 3 to 9. Then this one, that is 1, 6. That will be 3 on 3, which is 1. Therefore, equals that. Now let's consider the other solution. 4. X equals to 4. And we have square root of 4 minus 6 on the square root of 4. So the positive square root 2 minus 6 on 2. So let's make it over 1. LCM is 2. 1 to 2 is 2 times 2, 4. 22 is 1 times that. So we have minus 2 on 2. So it is negative 1. And therefore, this one doesn't satisfy the equation. Okay. So the only real solution is x equals to 9. X equals to 9 satisfy the equation. All right.